there is nothing for now. So first what I will do, I will take another div. So I will name it I'll take another div. So I will give the class name to be main section. That's a main section. It's up to you. You can take you can give any name. So in the main section, first I will take a image. So image, let's say src. So far I don't have any image in my directory, so let it blank, and alt, let's say bt. So if there is no image, the text in alt will be shown instead of image. So there is image, then I will have another div. Let's say another div div. I will give it name. Let's say class name auth info. Okay, I will have auth info. So between the auth info, first I will have, suppose is to take. Here I will have my name by Jit. Okay. After that, I will take p tag, and I will give a class here. Let's say education, and here I will write my condition. I am now doing my undergraduate at Northside University, so let's say computer. So let's say study, DIE studies. Let's say computer science and engineering at North South University. Okay, North South University. So first let me bring some image here. So I have to give the image. So from my previous project I will bring the image. So you can see this is the previous project directory. So let me copy that folder. So copy image and go to my previous go to my current directory, or let paste it there. So now I have image. So you can see the name, let's say bt.jpg. I will use that image. So in the source I will use bt.jpg. So if I save it and go to the browser, now you can see there will be some like messy things. So here you can see, but still the image is not showing here. There is a reason, because I have not given the directory in right way. So I have given wrong directory. So first what I need to, I have image folder. So in the folder I have bt.jpg. So now it will work fully. So now if I go to the browser and check it, now you can see there is everything is messed up. So I think I did mistake here, CSS, then all of the problem will finished. So let me first copy that class and go to CSS file. CSS. So after footer, or no, before footer, after container, let's work here. So I will, sorry, I need to give dot first as a class. So what I will do in main section, I will make position to be relative. Okay. So after that, what I have another thing, which is let's say I have another class. Let's go to the, means I have image, and then I have okay, let now take image. So main section image. Okay, so now let me go to the style, and again dot main section, then img image. So I will work with this. Thing what I can do, I can go to the container, actually container, where I have height also. Okay, here the height should not be given, it will take automatically. So after doing that, now if I refresh it, so now you can see now footer is in its position, and there is some issues with the image. Okay, so it will be fixed within minutes, don't worry about that. So now let's go to the code again. So what I have main section and image. After that I will have I have auth info, right? So auth info, in auth info I will make the position first, position to be absolute. Okay, then what I will have, I will have a bottom. I'll give bottom bottom to be 0%, and height, let's say height, let's say 30%. I will check it later. Let's say 30%. And other thing, what I will have width, let's say 100%. And finally I will have font size, let's say 18 pixel, and also finally opacity, let's say 0.7. Okay, so I have auth info. Okay, let me work with still furthermore. Let me give a background here. Background color, let's say 444. Okay, and opacity is also given. So let's say text color to be ice blue. So if I save it and go to the browser again and refresh it, now you can see there is an image, though there is some issues. Okay, but still I think it is becoming like my previous project. Okay, so as I given 30%, it will not 30%. Let me give 15%. Okay, let me give 15%. Save it and go back to image, and if I see now, so now it is a little bit like okay. So now the main problem is, if I see there, the image is not in right position. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to work with this thing. Okay, so what I can do, I can work with image. Okay, where it is, image. Here it is, image. Let's say with 100%. Okay, let's save it now. Okay, now you can see it is almost like okay. The container is going here, so as I give minus, that's the problem actually. So what I can do, I can give I can decrease so increase it to 16. If I save it now and go to my landing page, so now you can see the problem is solved. So after that now I will have some text below there. So let's go to my index.html, and here you can see after main section, let me take another div. Okay, I will give the class name to be other, let's say info. Okay, under info, and in that section first let me have on h4, where I will have my interest and hobby. Okay, then I will have one p tag. Here I will have some text. I will have some text. Let me copy it next. Okay, let me make it wrap view. So I will copy the p tag again and paste it. So if I go to my landing page again, and now you can see there is other information, but there is a problem. It should not like that. So for that I have to give style to other info, right? So let me go to my code, and after main section image auth info is 2. So here I will give other info. I will give style here. So for that, what I can do, I can give margin Okay, let's say margin left 20 pixel, margin, let's say margin right 20 pixel, and again padding bottom, let's say padding bottom 5 pixel, 5 pixel. Okay, if I save it now and go to the browser and refresh it, now you can see now the thing is a little more nice. Okay, now let me give padding bottom to be 10. Okay, now let's see. Okay, that's fine, but there's some other issue here. Let me fix it. So in container, okay, padding bottom, footer, in container, margin left, automatic top. Okay, I will have margin bottom, let's say -5 pixel. So now if I save it and go to the, now you can see now 5, let me take 6 instead of 5, 6. If I save it now and go to the, so now you can see it's like look more beautiful. Okay, so that's for the landing page. So in the next video I will work with about page, so I'll make it like this. Okay, I'll take table and other things, content. Thank you.